Hi, my name is Shreyansh. So I have done my masters and I am associated with Ivy from 2019. So I started off my data science and analytics career from Ivy only. So me being from a non-technical background and from a non-statistical background, because I have done undergrad in commerce and also done my masters in finance. So honestly, I had no idea of what data science is, what are the things there in data science, what is the scope of this data science, what are the tools required. So I had no idea. So I would like to thank Ivy that they first helped me, like they provide us with all the basic and intro classes where they inform about the scope of data science, what is taught in data science, and even an in-depth what I would say, they provide an overall view of data science as a whole stream. So, and this, of course, they provide all these things free of cost. They do online seminars. So, the thing is that I was working at HSBC as an associate analyst. So, the thing up there, I was doing a bit of analytical stuff. I won't say even I was not even doing 10% of the analytical stuff, but I was intrigued by data science. I wanted to understand, okay, what is this thing? Then I went up to the internet, searched on internet how data science work, what are the things in data science. So gradually and eventually I had this inclination towards data science. And one more thing that really put me on this track was that I saw it was one of the most trending jobs right now. Secondly, it is a project based job. We get to learn new stuff every now and then. So that those are the few things that inspired me to join data science at IB. So, on the first things first, what is great at Ivy is that they are pretty much flexible. So that is the thing that I wanted when I learned something. I wanted to be flexible because I was doing my post graduation from Mumbai, so it was not possible for me to attend classes offline. Although I got the opportunity to attend a few classes offline when I was in Kolkata doing my internship, but I wanted a base where I could also get the opportunity to do online and offline mix, which was not provided a lot by a lot of places earlier pre-COVID. Now it has become a great norm, but earlier it was not there. Secondly, the batch timings are flexible. We can opt for a lot of batches. There are batches in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and we also get the opportunity to watch the video recordings, and even we have the opportunity to do a class twice. So means if we do not understand a topic by a certain topic by a certain teacher, we get the opportunity to learn it from some other teacher also. Second important thing at Ivy is that they give a lot of projects, and they just don't give they make sure that we understand. They just won't give the project and okay, you take it and do it. They make us do the project along with themselves. So in this way, when we are doing the project with the assistance of the teachers, it is really helpful in learning. So I think that is one more standout feature of IB. And apart from that, the facilities they also cover a lot of APS. So the problem solving skills and the analytical thinking part is a lot, means we can develop that. And I would like to thank all my teachers who taught me. So these things are the things that are really good at Ivy, and I'm sure that everyone who wants to join can start off at Ivy. I think it met more than my expectations. I did not think, because to be honest, took me around 1 year to cover up the whole course curriculum. But the same 1 year, if I invested in somewhere else or if I took up course from other places, I would have not got the opportunity to learn so much. So at the same price also, so it is quite cheap in comparison with other courses that are offered online or offline also. So in terms of cost and all, also it's quite beneficial for us. Number one, flexibility. Number two, the teachers they know what data science is. The teachers are quite aware of the circumstances going around in the industry, and since most of the teachers are themselves in the domain and themselves are working, so they train us according to what is required at the moment. So that is one more standout feature. Third, there is a lot of scope, means there are a lot of placement opportunities at IB, because they keep on sending messages about the latest trends and opportunities at IB. So these three would be my top 3 points due to which I would recommend anyone to join IB.